I probably saw like the rest of the world right now. I'm kind of bored out of my mind. So what I'm gonna do today is loosen those engine mounts, that one and that one, along with the transmission cross brace back there somewhere. I'm gonna put a jack stand across the bell housing. We'll actually jack the truck up, put it on jack stands, and then grab a 2x4, put it underneath, and lift the engine off its mounts. So, about to drain the oil, and yeah, see what happens. Finally get the oil pan down to the right side. Not for anything more than, not what I thought was gonna take long, which was separating the motor from the motor mounts, but take it out. That must be like 8.2 billion bolts holding this thing up. Anyway, if there was a gasket, I don't see it. It's got the gasket here. So got the block off plate here. Put that in. Go ahead and put this block off plate in using some RTV. Wipe this excess off. And there you go. She's all in. They put the RTV. The gasket I had does seem like it was made out of cardboard, some sort of cardboard. So with that being said, then you can use RTV. So as luck would have it, once I did the oil pan, the lower radiator hose started leaking. I got it off. I had a custom job on there that Ricky put on there, but he didn't put it on the right way. So it's supposed to look like this with these fittings. I don't know where those are, but it looks like this. And I put that hack job back in, so I think this one should get the job done. Flex hose, same diameter, and it flexes. Feels heavy duty, so all right, there you got it. Got this bad boy out and installed the new one. Yeah, as you can tell, this one is pretty rocked. I don't know, Ricky. Did you install the new one I gave you? I mean, this doesn't look new. Anyway, that one, the one under here is I decided to record this just in case. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. In the future, at some point, I need to take this somewhere, or maybe when I get my lessons, my welding lessons up, and do a better job here at welding this. So, stay tuned. Real loud exhaust leak right here. Whenever I would turn her on, now you actually hear the carburetor.